Hello everyone, welcome back to the CSS video series. This is the fourth video of the CSS. Now we will continue from the last part. The inline style sheet. This is a type of style sheets where there are three types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. Now we will look into the inline CSS. Inline style properties are written in a single line, separated by semicolons. These properties are placed inside the style attribute of the HTML element on which you want to apply the style. For example, P style background. This is the hexadecimal formatting of the color, and this is the background color, and this is the font color, and the border is solid black. It is the size of the line border 1px. This is the inline CSS where we can specify the CSS styles inside a single line element. Advantages and disadvantages of the inline CSS. In an HTML document, there are advantages as well as disadvantages. We need to use based on our requirement and the project requirements. Advantages: provides highest precedence over internal and external style sheets. Therefore, if you want same styles to be compulsorily applied, use the inline style. Provide an easy and quick approach to add a style sheet in a web page, and you do not need to create a whole new document or edit a new element in the end of your document to add an inline style. Coming to disadvantages: makes a document difficult to maintain and increase the download time. Inline styles must be applied to every element on which you want to apply style. Therefore, if you want all your headings to have the font family Arial, you have to add an inline style to each heading element in your document. It does not allow to style pseudo-elements which are used as special effect to the selectors. For example, in external and internal style sheets, you can provide different styles or colors to differentiate between active, visited, and non-visited links. Now we will come into background and color gradients in CSS. This part mainly deals with exploring background of the web page. Background of a web page is the area on which content of the web page, such as text, table, border, and images display. A web page should have background that expresses the motto of the web page. For example, while constructing a web page for an organization, any organization, business organization, or an education organization, the background can have the logo that represents the particular organization, whether it might be a healthcare or e-commerce of the organization. Logo should be kept in the background. The background properties are as follows. These are the various background properties. One is background color, background image, background repeat, background attachment, background position, background table, background origin, background size, background quantity, background spacing, and the background. First, we will dive into first thing. Background color property. Background color property is used to set the color of the background area on which element is displayed. It can be applied to almost any element. The background color property takes any of these three values. Color name, hexadecimal equivalent of the color. I already told you on last previous two slides. They have mentioned color hash FFF, that is the hexadecimal equivalent of the color. RGB color value. Here we can see which one. For that we are specifying background color style. This is the hexadecimal equivalent of the color. Another two color which background color property supports is transparent and indirect. Background image. Background image property is used to set an image in the background of an element. It is similar to background attribute of the body element of HTML 4.0. In case of background attribute, the image could only be set for the body element. Using background image property, virtually can set background image for all elements. The background image property is specified using two values, either URL to specify the image or none when no image is used. Body background image URL picture JPEG. P background image none. If the image is located in different server, you have to provide its complete path like that. If the image is located in a different server, you have to provide a complete path of the image in the URL. Body background image. This is the sample link which we have provided for the better understanding. Background property is the shortcut of specifying several background properties at the same place in the style sheet. It can be used to specify the values for the background control, background image, background repeat, background attachment, background position, and background size properties. Here, body background green, p tag background, they are specifying a URL for the link address of the PNG file, and the blue color is blue background color, and 50% repeat fixed. Here for this class background orange URL is given 100% auto. These are the properties provided for the background image. Next tip, font family property. The font family property specifies the font for an element. The font family property can hold several font names as a fallback system. If the browser does not support the first font, it tries the next font. There are two types of font family names. One is family name, the name of the font family like Times, Courier, Arial, etc. And generic family, the name of the generic family like Serif, Sans Serif, Cursive, Fantasy, Monospace. Here let's go to an example. Syntax, font family, family name, generic family, p tag, under p tag, font family, Times New Roman, Times and Serif. Font family H1 for H1, Arial, Helvetica, Sans Serif. This is the font size property. Font size property set the size of a font, absolute value, relative value, and the percentage value. Once again, next, here we can see value and the description table. Medium, if you give value as medium, it sets the font size to medium size and that is default. XX small, it sets the font size to XX small. And X small is extra small, small is small. Large means it sets the font size to large size. X large is extra large. XX large is sets the font style to an XX large size. Font value, font size property set the size of an element font, absolute, relative, and the percentage. This is the relative value, and above it is the absolute values. In relative value, smaller. There are only two relative values, smaller, larger. Sets the font size to a smaller size than the parent element. Larger set the font size to a larger size than the parent element. You got this difference between absolute value and the relative value. Next comes the percentage value. It is the font size to a percent of the parent element's font size. Here comes the example P. Font size is 50%. Next is font style property. Font style property specifies the style for the text. There are normal, italic, oblique. These are the three different styles of font. P. Font style normal. Here for div tag, we are setting font style to italic, and for H1 tag, font style is oblique. These are the three different types of font style. And the font variant. The font variant properties specify whether or not. A text should be displayed in small caps for font variants, normal or for small caps. B. Font variant, small caps. Font weight. The font weight property sets how thick or thin character in text should be. Normal or bold or bolder or lighter. Number. The number defines from thick to thin characters. 400 is same as normal and 700 is same as bold. In normal defines the normal character and that is deeper. Bold means thick character. Bolder means thicker character. Lighter means defines lighter characters. This is the example. Font weight property sets how thick or thin the character should be displayed. This is a old font property, shorthand property for all other font variations. Here you can see font style, font variant, weight, and font size or line height, font family. We will cover next topic in the next video. Thank you. Please do share and subscribe.